Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have s squared, s to the power of 3. We can do about factorization by s. Next, about negative s, we can put into negative 2s and positive s in here. So we can do another factorization in here. That's about s multiplied by s plus 1. Negative number 2, negative number 2. We can do another factorization in here. S plus 1, s plus 1. That's another factorization in here. Now, we can do about partial fractions. So I can put about capital A over S plus B over S plus 1 and C over S minus 2. So we do common denominator. So because we have capital A in here, so we have S plus 1, S minus 2, because in this one, we missing about S plus 1 and S minus 2 compared in here. That's why we need to multiply by this one. Similar for the next one. About B, we have S plus 1, but we are missing about S and S minus 2. So we multiply by S with S minus 2. About C, that's about S with S plus 1. Denominator, that's about this one in here. Now we need to expand. So we need to arrange based on the term of S. About S squared, we have A, B, C. About S, we have negative A, negative 2B, and positive C. About the number, we have negative 2A, because negative number 2 multiplied by A. Now, let's go back in here. We look carefully. We have S squared and we have S squared. So we have S squared and S squared. Coefficient of this one is about number 2. So A plus B plus C equals to number 2. We have S coefficient in here. That's about number 1. So negative A, negative 2B plus C equals to number 1. About the number, we have negative 2A equal to negative number 4. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solution of ABC. So now the solution of ABC, that's about A equal to number 2, B equals to negative number 1, C equals to number 1. So we put the number ABC code here. So A equals to number 2, B equals to negative number 1, C equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, you got about 2 ln of the absolute value of S. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of s plus 1 and the integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of s minus 2 and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.